how to view all the pictures and videos you have shared to someone on Instagram DMs. So at this process, you have to firstly open your Instagram account. So simply log in with your Instagram account. And from here, you will have to go with the options messages. So it will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And from here, you will have to choose the conversation whom you want to view all of the pictures and videos from there. So simply I'm selecting this one. Okay, so from here, you will have to click on that profile section of that person who we want to extract all of the pictures and videos. So simply tap on the profile. And from here, you will get options like videos and pictures. So simply you have to scroll down and click on that option. And as we can see, I can now view all the pictures and videos that I have shared on this Instagram DMs. So likewise, you can also view all of the pictures and videos you have shared to Instagram on DMs. So hope this video was helpful to you. And if any queries are arising, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.